I started in third gear to spool the turbos, and I shifted to fourth, and that's when I give it full power. And it was just taking it awesome. I mean, it's super loud, super great.
It's probably 250 pounds of boost.
Yeah.
Just eating it.
Just going awesome.
Ripping through the pole.
Yeah, it was really exciting until it blew out, man. And it blew up spectacularly. The hood's off. You can see the engines here. I didn't see that at first. All I saw was a big ball of fire right up from my windshield.